This tool is going to change the way we think, and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity.ea, and it's far better than ChatGPT, and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone, and welcome back in today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's get into it. So first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage, as you can see. So the first thing that you have to do is click over sign up. You write your email address, as you can see. Then you write here your code. We have here check your email. A jump to sign in link has been sent to your email address. So you can see. So we have just to write your code confirmation here. As you can see. And then you click over continue. So you'll find the homepage. So this is the homepage, as you can see. We have here how you can ask, and we have here home, discover, library, and other things. So for example, I will ask something here. Who is the best player, for example? And we'll click over here. So this is the sources. Here we have sources, and we have answer also, and we have also some related here, and you can just click over it and you get it. Also we have here videos in YouTube, and we have also some images and photos. So it's very helpful to have this website and search what you want here. Then we have here focus, we have a web, writing, and academic. Then we have here attach also. We have here also other things like here you choose your language, about home, and about pricing. So you can just click over here. We have here the price. Publicity price, the most powerful way to search the internet, which with unlimited processors, upgrade AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. So we have a standard, start for free, no credit card needed, and you have a free forever, continue with free. Unlimited quick searches, and we have 5 pro searches per day, and we have standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality. Now have you create a profile to personalize your answers. So it's free and you can just get started. So right now I will give you 3 ways how you can earn money with Perplexity. So in the first one we have on Perplexity you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services. Draw a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable tailored insights and charging for personalized consultation. So I will show you how. So this is other website, which is upwork.com. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, you have just to promote your Upwork consulting services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice, and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. Then we have other options in the same way I already gave. So we have your LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to Perplexity profile for paid advisory service. So these 2 websites you can just use it to earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services through a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Then we have other 2 websites which we have just to sell educational content and develop high quality informative materials. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche, offer these resources through Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for free, attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So how you can do that? So we have here the first one, which is called udemy.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven preview views or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have the second one, which is Amazon. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. So right now I will give you the third step or the third way to earn money with Perplexity. So to make money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionally functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So we have the first one, it's App Store. So in App Store you have just to create available and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have the last one, which is producthunt.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on Product Hunt, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your product Hunt launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So this is how you can earn money on Perplexity. So to earn money on Perplexity, or similar platforms focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options and tailor your content to meet your user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adoption. So this is how you can get started with Perplexity.ai and you can earn money with it. So you can just right now to get started by sign up first and then ask whatever you want. Also you can use the pro one, but you have to pay, and this one you have our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. Then we have your Pro, Enterprise, Playground, Blog, Encyclopedia, and Kairos. So this one, you can just click over the one you want and you'll wanna know more information about how it works with Perplexity. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.